If your grilled dishes or wraps ever feel like they need something fresh on the side, this creamy mint sauce does the job perfectly. It's cool, smooth, packed with fresh flavor, and comes together in just minutes. The full recipe link can be found in the description below. Into a blender jar, add 1/2 cup of fresh mint leaves and 1/2 cup of plain yogurt to create that creamy, fresh base. Then add 1 small garlic clove and 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice to brighten and sharpen the flavor. Next, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper for balance. And if needed, add 1 tablespoon of water to help loosen the consistency slightly. Now blend everything until smooth, creamy, and vibrant. If recipes like this make your cooking easier, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who'd love this sauce, and subscribe to SpiceRally for more homemade recipes. And tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. And your creamy mint sauce is ready. This makes about 3/4 cup of sauce, perfect for wraps, kebabs, grilled meats, or quick dips on the side. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes like this.